Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs on a gas stove. First, gather your ingredients: 2 to 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of milk or cream, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Next, ensure you have a non-stick pan, a whisk or fork, and a rubber spatula ready. Crack your eggs into a medium-sized bowl. Whisk them thoroughly until the yolks and whites are completely combined and slightly frothy. This initial preparation is key for fluffy eggs. Now let's get cooking. Place your non-stick pan on a gas burner and set the heat to medium-low. This lower temperature prevents overcooking and ensures a creamy texture. Add about 1 teaspoon of butter or a neutral oil to the pan, letting it melt and coat the bottom evenly. Once the butter is shimmering, pour your whisked eggs into the warm pan. Let them sit undisturbed for about 15 to 20 seconds, allowing the edges to just begin to set. It's time to scramble. Using your rubber spatula, gently push the cooked edges of the eggs towards the center of the pan. Tilt the pan to let the uncooked egg flow underneath. Continue this folding and stirring motion, moving the eggs around the pan. Keep scrambling until the eggs are mostly set but still appear moist and slightly glossy. Remember, they will continue to cook a little after being removed from the heat. Take them off the burner just before they reach your desired firmness. Your delicious scrambled eggs are ready. Immediately transfer them from the hot pan to a plate to stop the cooking process and maintain their perfect texture. You can garnish them with fresh chives, a sprinkle of shredded cheese, or a dash of hot sauce for extra flavor. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, fluffy scrambled eggs. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the description below this video. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.